Hey YouTube, I am going to show you how to make one of the most luscious and delectable treats for fall. We are roasting acorn squash. Alright, so this is an acorn squash. I guess it's vaguely acorn shaped. And these are so good. I've got a video I shot several years ago and I roasted these off. I stuffed them and roasted them, and I used brown sugar and a little maple syrup, and they are so good. They're hard to get through. This time I'm gonna do a savory version though. There we go. Cut them in half. Step number one. And because they are squash or gourds or what have you, they're gonna have this stuff in the middle. And the fun thing about this is you can roast those seeds just like pumpkin seeds, which I'm actually gonna do. I've got some seeds from a butternut squash. I have a giant pie pumpkin. I'm not sure why I bought one that big, except the kids liked it, so we got the giant one. And so we're gonna be doing some pumpkin seed roasting. That's one of my favorite things about fall. And they taste so good. They're so addictive. They're so much better than anything you might find otherwise. This stuff, you're gonna toss. We're gonna get rid of that. You can put a little bit in your disposal. Don't put more than a little bit though. That's one of those things that's best. Just go right in the garbage can. All right, I'm gonna get this other one split in half. I'm gonna throw all four of these in a baking dish, and I'm gonna be back and show you how to get them ready. Ricky? Okay, you're getting a little bit ahead of me. All right, so here's our acorn squash. I just put them out in a big, whatever that thing is, casserole dish. And I've got some olive oil, and you can drizzle that if you want to. I just think this is a little easier. I'm just brushing them real well, just on the cut side. And we're gonna dress these with, pretty simply actually, this is one of the easiest things you can do. This is like a, I won't say lightning fast, it takes an hour to bake, and it's, you saw, it's a slight pain to get them open, but the rest of this takes no time and no effort. And that's a winner. Oh wait, that's not kosher salt. I want kosher salt. All right, so we're using kosher salt. We're gonna be kind of generous with it. We use about I'd say about a half a teaspoon per half. And if you're using regular table salt, of course, you're gonna use less. Kosher salt has a much larger flake. Acorn squash is loaded with beta carotene, vitamin C, vitamin A, great with fiber. So this is one of those things that you want to get in your diet. Just fresh black pepper. And we're going to roast these, and that's going to caramelize the natural sugars. It wants to get sweet. A lot of a rich, earthy sweetness. Okay, I need one more thing. Did you see the garlic powder? Yes. I think you used it last because it's way up there where I can't reach it. Now, I always know when Ricky's been cooking because all my spices are on the very top shelf in the cupboards because he's 6'4" and I'm 5'6". So this is just garlic powder. We're just gonna give it a light, just like that. All right, this is ready to go in the oven. I've got a 350-degree oven. I'm gonna give it about an hour. Now, about halfway through, I'm gonna come check it. I'm gonna attempt to put a fork in it. If it's getting too brown or too golden on top, I'm simply gonna flip them over to protect the cut side. But other than that, they're probably just gonna go like this. I just wanted to show y'all this. Can you hear that? They're singing. It's been about an hour and they are singing. That means they're happy. Okay, I actually gave these an hour and 10 minutes. They are super hot. That one's still bubbling. Anyway, whatever size yours are, they're gonna take between 50 minutes hour and 15, 20 minutes for great big ones. And if you can just push a fork in really easily, they're done. And this is all we're gonna do to it. I have this 3 or 4 leaves of fresh sage I just minced up. And you don't need a ton, but it's a really beautiful flavor with the squash. Kind of a classic squash and sage. Really nice. And it just blooms. The flavor gets that. The fresh sage hits that warm squash, and the aroma is just amazing. All right, I'm the only one here, so I'm going to sneak a bite. That is tender and beautiful, and it smells amazing. Oh yeah. Ooh, y'all. That is simple, it's easy, it's gonna make you look like a rock star. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.